Good morning, students. Today I am going to start types of coordinate. It means exercise 12B. Types of coordinate. First one is trapezium. A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is parallel. Only one pair of opposite side is parallel. In this trapezium ABCD, here AB parallel DC, AB parallel DC. This is the sign of parallel. AB parallel DC. But measure of AB not equal to DC. It means their measurement are not same, but they are parallel. Second, AD and BC. AD and BC are non-parallel sides. Third point, diagonal AC not equal to diagonal BD. Diagonal means the line joining opposite vertices of the quadrilateral. Fourth point, since AB parallel DC, therefore sum of angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree and sum of angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So angle A plus D and angle B plus C equals to 180 degree. That is sum of point triangle equals to 180 degree. Now isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. It means non-parallel sides are also equal. A trapezium in which non-parallel sides are equal. So this is isosceles trapezium. Here AB parallel DC, but measure of AB not equal to DC. Second point, AD and BC are non-parallel sides, but they are equal. AD and BC are equal non-parallel sides. So it is called isosceles trapezium. Third point, diagonal AC equals to diagonal BD. Diagonals are equal. Fourth point, angle A equals to angle B and angle C equals to angle D. It happens only in isosceles trapezium. Now second definition, kite. Kite, a quadrilateral in which two distinct pair of adjacent sides are equal. Two distinct pair of adjacent sides are equal. And the diagonals intersect at right angle. And the diagonals intersect at right angles. So this is your kite. A, B, C, D is a kite. According to definition, two distinct pair of adjacent sides. Here AB and AD are equal adjacent sides. AB and AD. Adjacent side means in which one vertex is common. In AB and AD, A is common, so these are adjacent sides. So AB equals to AD and BC equals to DC. Here AB equals to AD and BC equals to DC. And diagonals are not equal. Diagonal AC not equal to diagonal BD. Diagonals are not equal. Shorter diagonal is BD, longer diagonal is AC. Third point, angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle AOD equals to 90 degree. It means diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree. One thing you must also remember that shorter diagonal is bisected by longer diagonal. Shorter diagonal BD, shorter diagonal BD is bisected by longer diagonal AC. Longer diagonal AC. That is OD is equal to OB. OD equals to OB. Longer diagonal is not bisected, but shorter diagonal is bisected by longer diagonal. That is the measure of OB equals to measure of OD. Now next topic, parallelogram. Parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which each pair of opposite side is parallel. Each pair, according to figure, AB parallel DC and AD parallel BC. It means each pair of opposite side is parallel. If one pair of opposite side is parallel, then it is trapezium. Here, AB parallel DC and AD parallel BC. It means opposite sides are parallel. Second point, measure of AB equals to measure of DC and measure of AD equals to measure of BC. It means opposite sides are equal also. Third point, angle A equals to angle C, angle B equals to angle D. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Fourth point, diagonal AC not equals to diagonal BD. Diagonals are not equal, but they intersect each other. They intersect each other. It means OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD. Fifth point, since AB parallel DC, it means sum of angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Sum of angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. It means sum of co-interior angles equals to 180 degree. Again, AD parallel BC, it means sum of angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. AD and BC are parallel, so sum of angle A plus sum of angle B equals to 180 degree, and sum of angle C plus sum of angle D equals to 180 degree. It means sum of co-interior angle is equals to 180 degree. Now students, exercise 12C, question 3rd. In question 3rd, ABCD is a parallelogram given and angle A is given as 115 degree, 115 degree, and you have to find angle B and angle C. Now we use properties of parallelogram for solving this problem. In parallelogram ABCD, as you know, angle C is equal to angle A, angle C equals to angle A, and reason behind this, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle C equals to 115 degree. Now AD parallel BC, AD parallel BC. So as you know, by sum of co-interior angle, AD parallel BC, it means angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. AD parallel BC. So angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. So 115 plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Angle B equals to 180 minus 115, 65 degree. So in this manner we got angle B. So angle D equals to also 65 degree, because B and D are opposite angles. B and D are opposite angles. But according to problem, only angle B and angle C are asked. So angle B equals to 65 degree, angle C equals to 150. Now question 5th. In question 5th, MNOP is a parallelogram given and length of diagonals are given. NP is equal to 32 semi and OM equals to 24 semi is given. And they are asked about PS and MS. PS and MS. So in parallelogram MNOP, we know that diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals are not equal, but they bisect each other. It means MS is equal to OS is equal to half OM. Half OM means half of 24, 12 semi, and NS equals to PS equals to half PM. It means half of 32, that is 67 semi. So in this manner, we got PS equals to, therefore PS equals to 16 semi and MS equals to 12 semi. MS equals to 12 semi. It is our final answer. Now student, today's homework is do question 1, question 4, question 6 of exercise 12C in maths form. Have a nice day. Thank you.